Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Verizon Message account. So Verizon Message, that is Message Plus, is a texting app that lets you sync your texting conversations across all of your compatible devices. You can even make and receive calls on a tablet, customize conversations with backgrounds, bubble style fonts and more. It sounds so fun, guys. So if you want to create an account of Verizon Messages, then first of all you need to have is Verizon Message app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application. But if it is already installed, then need not worry, guys. It is very easy to create its account. To learn how to create, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to create Verizon Message app, first of all tap on the application. Now this is the first interface that you'll see after you tap on the application. Now tap on Start Messaging. Now tap on Permission. You were just allowing the following permissions. Now tap on Allow. You are allowing to access your contacts. Now again tap on Allow, and this time you are allowing to manage phone calls. Again tap on Allow, so this time you are allowing to send and view SMS messages. Now check the box of Message Plus and tap on Set as Default. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your phone number, so go ahead and enter your phone number on Enter Your Phone Number box. After that, make sure to check your country on the Country box and tap on Next. Now it's saying starting services, please wait. So we are supposed to wait for some time here. So guys, this is it. After waiting for some time, you will be logged into your Verizon Messages app. So yes, this is how we can easily create Verizon Messages app account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.